Okay, so if you haven't seen this,
I've not seen this.
haven't you? Well, this has been out before, but I don't think we really talked about it much.
When did it come out?
Would have been before Christmas.
Are you sure?
Not sure,
I
but I'll
think,
say that anyway.
well, that's my line.
Okay, so the Lancaster has been around before. So
Yes.
they started off with the Mark 1, and then they made the Dam Buster, and the last version is this one, the Grand
I remember
Slam.
the Dam Buster. I don't remember this Grand Slam.
So this one sort of snuck in. So similar.
Snuck in?
Snuck in.
Look at
So,
the size of it.
yeah, it's massive. So similar layout as the Dam Buster. So they chiseled away at the belly to fit in the bomb. So this one's got the Grand Slam bomb hanging off it.
Grand Slam bomb.
And Dan said it was known as the earthquake bomb
Earthquake bomb.
because when it hit the ground, it like shook.
Kaboom.
Yeah. Look at the size of it.
It's a fair big bomb.
Massive. Absolutely massive. So beautiful kits.
I wonder
So-
what it sounded like.
Probably kaboom.
Or the whistling.
Oh, the whistling.
What do you think? Do you think it whistled?
I don't know if it wanted to, you know.
Why didn't they make them anti-whistle? Why do they all have to sound like Nerf balls?
No, I think they wanted to whistle, didn't they? So it was scary.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think so.
I'd want a sneaky bomb.
You want one that no one knew about?
Yeah, I'd just have a
So
sneaky
everyone's
bomb.
just watching TV and just goes kaboom.
That's right. What's
You're
the
like a
diff-
ninja.
Why? Tell me
Ninja
about
shock.
what is it? So what are we looking at? Let's go overhead town.
Oh,
Did you even fix up the overhead camera?
hang on. Let me. How's that?
Oh, we
I
got
need
some.
to focus
We
in, eh?
got some 3D CAD.
No, it gives you a better idea of how big that huge, massive bomb is, isn't it?
Wow.
Strapped on the bottom.
I wonder if they smoked in the plane.
I don't know. What, a big pipe?
I don't know. But what if the bomb went off? It'd
Well, you
end-
wouldn't have heard about it, would you?
I wouldn't have whistled.
No. That's right. I wouldn't have had an opportunity to whistle.
Wow, that is a big bomb. What can you tell me about the specs of the bomb?
So here they're showing the different. Why are they showing that one?
Well, that's the bomb releasing. That's the bomb bay.
So that's a bomb bay. Maybe it's got the bits for the standard. This is a standard bomb bay.
Not like the gin.
What, the blue stuff?
Mm.
No. So that's the regular bomb bay. And then you'll notice that they're showing maybe this angle. You see how it's been sculpted out here?
Mhm.
So they closed off the original bomb bay and they made it so that that massive bomb could be strapped on the belly. of the
Couple of
aircraft.
claws.
Couple of claws?
Yeah.
I don't know. If
Well,
there was a
imagine
couple of claws, it would have been a really big
Imagine
one.
if it fell off accidentally. You go, oh, we've lost another one.
Like just bouncing around. Oh,
No. If it
Yeah,
just
well-
fell, they'd taken off, and it just like,
Would have left a bit of a mess, wouldn't it?
wow.
Yeah,
Well,
pretty
war's
impressive,
not,
eh?
War's not pretty.
No.
So what scale is this? How big is it?
1/32
I
scale.
want to know how big it is.
Really?
Wingspan 972,
That's right. And length
Wow.
of the fuselage is was it
664.
about 70 centimeters. Eh?
It's massive.
It is.
You need a big workspace. It's got a clear tailpiece.
Yeah, this is a gunner.
Gonna,
Every gunner. But there's no gun at the front.
He's gonna have a bad day.
They usually do.
Dad,
Yeah.
the gunner's
yeah.
on the tail.
Yeah.
That'd have to be the crappiest job on the plane,
Yeah, they
wouldn't
have
it?
the lowest life expectancy, I think.
Really?
Yeah.
They're gonna die.
Yeah. That or a belly gunner.
A belly gunner.
Mm,
Really?
yeah. Because if something happened to the undercarriage, well, these planes do belly landings. They can't get out.
Oh, what do you mean? You can only get out from the bottom?
No, they have a hatch, and it'll have to be lined up with the top for both hatches to open properly.
Yeah.
Get out. So if you're slightly off, I'm pretty sure if it's slightly off or it's in flight, you can't get through it.
Oh, that's a shame.
So it would have been splat.
Oh, that's no good at all, is it?
No. But let's go back to the plane, right? It's getting a bit. Ooh.
I don't need that on a Friday afternoon.
No, not at all.
Well, you and your bloody
What are you
warbirds.
talking about? I'm just well, they could. So
It is a
we've
bomber.
got
It
whole
is
heap of big
it
stuff.
is a vehicle, let's be honest, of
It
mass destruction
It
and
is.
death.
So we've got others of vehicles of mass death and destruction coming as well from Hong Kong model. So we've got the B-17s, we've got the G's back.
I
We've
want
got
to talk about Pokemon.
B-25s.
I want to turn it around. Is there any Pokemon? Something cheery.
Pokemon. Oh, there is, but you're going to have to wait
Oh.
because I'm going to show you the rest of the stuff that's.
More. Hang on, we're going further down Depression Lane.
So that was what they're known for, 32nd scale stuff, big,
Big.
and Hong Kong model been starting to make 48 scale as well.
which is more sensible.
That's right. More affordable, and size-wise, yeah, more people can handle it. And they
Does
still
Nev-
have all the interior detail.
Does
as well.
Nev have one of these?
No, because he likes 72nd scale.
Oh,
It's too big for him.
too big for Nev.
Okay, so we've got the Lancasters back.
So this one here was made in Waddington
Was
in
it?
May 1944.
And then we've got the B-17F, which is famous with the Memphis Belle livery.
Why is it called F?
F model,
Yeah,
because it came after the E model.
yeah.
Does that make sense?
This one's got a picture of Mickey Mouse on it. Did you know?
Has it got Mickey on it? Oh, it has too.
Looks
That's
like-
cool.
Why did they put cartoons on there? Was it to make weapons of mass destruction like friendly?
I don't know where that started from. I guess they started naming, like vehicles traditionally got named, right? Ships got named, and planes got named. They still do that now. And I guess the nose art was just to differentiate it further, give it a bit of
So you know which plane was yours.
uniqueness. Yeah, that's right. It's like customizing.
There you go.
Yeah. Okay, so that's the F.
That is the F.
We've got the G as well. They're back in stock.
The G.
So very similar to an F, except it's got the turret, the gun turret on the nose.
And it has American Beauty on there. Somewhat of a naked woman clad on the nose.
That's right, isn't it? I don't mind that.
I think so.
And then this is the newest thing that's just come out.
Hey, they took the paint off on the G.
They just didn't paint it.
No? Keep
No.
it lighter?
I don't know what the reasoning was.
It would actually make it way more camouflage, no? Just being like...
Or maybe, I don't know. Maybe they didn't need camouflage on them anymore because they had air superiority at that time, I think.
Hmm.
But I would have thought that I don't know, a naked plane wouldn't have the same sort of corrosion resistance.
But that's why it has a naked lady on it. That's what I'm
Scare
saying.
it away.
Cactus kitten.
There you go. B-25J, brand spanking new,
Brand new.
brand new.
I've seen this one before, though.
We had one as a prototype that we came in and we
Oh.
opened it up. And so if you want to see what's inside, then have a look at that video. We did that.
But you was a little bit disappointed because there wasn't decals in there. Is that right?
Oh, well, it didn't have decals in there because they didn't have them ready from cartograph
No.
in Italy yet. But I've got some decals coming. I'm going to build that one.
I thought you did already.
No.
Oh,
No, I haven't built it yet.
it's with the pig tank.
That's right. So this is brand spanking new. Really nice kits. So pretty much the 48 scales are scaled down versions of the 32nd scale ones. So it's still got all the interior detail. And this particular one's got the really clever nose weight.
Yep.
So that it doesn't end up sitting on its tail.
Sitting on its tail.
Because of the tricycle undercarriage. On a real plane, you'll have all the engines at the front, right? That's the heaviest weight.
Yep.
So it'll sit. But these are empty, right? Because it's a kit. And earlier kits like this, if you didn't think about putting weight in the nose, it would just be sitting on its tail all the time. But it's good how they've designed weight to go into it.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, makes it a lot easier.
Easier.
Easier. That's right.
Easier.
All right.
There we go.
Got plenty of those in stock now.
It's got the rear gunner on it too.
Yeah. Got quite a lot of guns in the front too. And look along the sides.
Quite a lot of armory.
So they've got a bit of photo etch in there as well.
R2D2 on the top.
Yeah, got an O2D2. And so it's got they had armor plating on the sides.
Yep.
So they've included as plastic if you want to make it easy, or there's photo etch in there as well if you wanted to make it a little bit finer.
So they would have been quite heavy, these aircraft.
Well, the armor plate was only on the side here. That's the only extra bit they did.
Yep.
The rest of it would have been still like a sardine can.
Paper mache.
That's
Lovely.
it. There we go. So that's Hong Kong models, all back in stock. Check out the website or pop in. We've got a whole heap out there.